When you need a dependable fastener for drywall or sheetrock, these number 6 by 1 inch black phosphate drywall screws stand out. Designed specifically for wallboard installations, they also serve as versatile fasteners for a wide range of projects. Whether you're tackling repairs or new construction, these screws deliver consistent performance you can count on. Constructed from durable metal, these screws feature a black phosphate finish that helps resist corrosion and adds a sleek look. Their coarse threads provide a strong grip in drywall, while the bugle head design ensures the screw sits flush without damaging the surface. This combination makes installation smoother and the final result cleaner. The Phillips drive on these screws offers excellent torque control, reducing the chance of stripping during installation. Plus, the flat head and sharp, easy start points make driving the screws faster and less effort-intensive. This means less time fumbling and more time focusing on your project. These drywall screws are a favorite among professionals and DIYers alike because they balance strength and ease of use. They're not limited to drywall alone. Many users rely on them as a go-to fastener for crafts, repairs, and general construction needs. Their multi-purpose nature makes them a practical addition to any toolbox. If you're concerned about durability, the black phosphate finish adds a layer of weather resistance, making these screws suitable for indoor and some outdoor applications. Users have noted their reliability, though like any fastener, performance depends on the environment and usage conditions. Worth a look if you want a solid, no-nonsense drywall screw that won't let you down mid-project. They offer what you need: strong hold, easy installation, and versatility across tasks. If that's you, these screws could be the reliable choice you've been searching for. Ready to upgrade your fastening game? Consider these black phosphate drywall screws for your next project. Their quality and design make them an efficient, practical solution whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend warrior.